we have one condition in our body, thermoregulation does not occur. We have one scenario in our body, thermoregulation does not, do not follow this procedure. That means homeostasis is a little bit messed up there. Fever. When we get the fever, what is the point of that? That means fever means what? Fever means your body temperature increases, right? Fever means your body temperature increases by your own body. Okay, body temperature increases. So, if the homeostasis is working as we mentioned, if the thermoregulation is working as we discuss here, can anyone have a fever? Impossible, right? You can't have a fever because if this is working, if your body temperature increases, what happens? They have to put it down. So, nobody will get fever. But we are getting fever, right? So, which means fever has a purpose. So, actually when you have a fever, what you have to think of, you are healthy. Healthy means your body is really working, because if you think, when you are getting a fever, most of the time, okay, not all the time, most of the time when you are getting a fever, when you have a kind of attack from someone else, especially from a pathogen. If you have an infection or someone trying to already entered your body, pathogen entered your body, or someone tries to enter your body. For example, if you have a huge injury, you may get a fever. If you have flu, or any other viruses or any other diseases in your body, you get a fever. Like that, most of the time fever comes with the infection. So there, what they are trying to do, the body do something impressive thing there. That's why I said, if you have a fever, you should be happy, because your body is fighting against the pathogen before the medicine comes. So what happened in the fever, body itself, they temporarily shut down this one. Okay, temporarily shut down the homeostasis thermoregulation part, and body itself starts to increase the temperature. Can you think what they are trying to do there? By increasing body temperature, what they are trying to achieve? They are going to basically destroy the pathogen. By increasing the temperature, you know, enzymes are hypersensitive to the temperature. So when the temperature increases above the optimum of the pathogen will be destroyed. So that's why the body itself has a mechanism to destroy the pathogen along with the white blood cells and the lymphocytes and everything. That's one side, but body itself, they are trying to basically start to destroy the pathogen using the higher temperature by destroying their enzymes or by destroying their other proteins, denaturing their enzymes and other proteins. Okay, but at that time the body focuses on the pathogen. At the same time, body forget about something. What is it? Body forget we also have enzymes. That's the problem. So we also have enzyme. Body now focusing on killing that guy, shooting everywhere with the temperature. But at the same time, they forgot we also have the enzyme who can destroy by that temperature. That's where you have to be careful. So if the fever is very high, that means body is fighting with the pathogen with all the resources they are having. But at the same time, they forgot our enzyme also going to be denatured. That's where you need to be careful. So that's why doctors are always ask your mom to check your temperature. If it is very high, like 102 or above 100 Fahrenheit, you have to be very careful. You have to keep the temperature down. So how they are keeping the temperature down? So basically, you can basically go under the shower. You can go under the shower and open the shower. It doesn't matter, because you have to cool your body down. Otherwise, especially the enzymes in the brain, they are very sensitive to the temperature. So if those enzymes in the brain are denatured, that's the end of the story. You getting into coma. If a muscle denature, it's fine, it can grow. But the brain enzymes, when they denature, there's no coming back. So your own protection mechanism can basically destroy your own brain cells there.